guys, now when my friend asked me if I could replicate this gelatin dessert, I took one look at the Oreo cookies and I said, heck yes. This is a true crowd stopper dessert, and you know what? It couldn't be any simpler to prepare. Now let's get started. These are the simple ingredients you will need. Add to a blender a can of evaporated milk, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder is going in, and 1 bar of cream cheese. You're gonna blend everything together into a smooth puree. Now, since I didn't blue my gelatin powder prior to adding it to the blender, I'm going to heat up the mixture until the powder is completely dissolved. But if you soaked your gelatin prior to adding it to the mixture, you can skip this step. Now use whichever pan you like, grease it with a little bit of butter, and pour the milky mixture all inside. For my favorite part now, the Oreo cookies. Crumble and press them into the cream gelatin. You're gonna refrigerate this for about 1 hour until it's completely firmed up. You're next gonna prepare your berry blue jello according to the directions in the back of the box. And if you guys want a more firm jello mold, be sure to add an additional tablespoon of gelatin powder to this mixture. Now that the center to this is fully firmed up, go ahead and press along the edges, releasing the sides from the pan. I'm gonna pour in half of that berry blue jello, and it'll seep down the edges. The center cream cheese mixture is gonna slightly float up to the top, and it's going back into the fridge to slightly firm up. Lastly, add the remaining top layer, give it a cover, and back into the fridge it goes for 4 hours until fully set. Whenever unmolding your gelatin, place it for about 5 seconds into some hot water, give it a flip over a plate, and your heavenly showstopper dessert is ready. There is something about that bright blue color with that rich Oreo chocolate that always catches everybody's eye. It may take a lot of patience to make, but it is certainly well worth the wait. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comment down below, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that notifications bell. I post weekly, quick and easy recipes, always with a unique twist.
Aphrodite, Ventus, Osteonisus, Hera, Hermes, Icarus, Narcissus, Medusa, Ephasus, Ashalala, Susus, Minerva, Ecobubus. I love it when you couscous. Aphrodite, Ventus, Osteonisus, Hera, Hermes, Icarus, Narcissus, Medusa.